The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. James L., James A., Stephen, Nevin, Scott, Frank, Kenneth, Roland, David, Randy, Sue. Guys, good morning. Good morning. Saeed, Brian. Yeah, I think you're the only one. Good morning, guys. Becky, good morning. Fellas, good morning and welcome back. Today is Thursday. It is February 25th. Sheena, good morning. Scott, I think you want level 2. John, good morning. Derek, good morning. Guys, good morning. Fellas, yesterday was quite a ride. My targets were hit. I don't think we quite got to that final target I had at 2.8. Yeah, we did. We didn't get to 437, we got to 354. I still think we get 437. We are now trading on the NASDAQ in a zone currently between 125 and 281. It's a big zone. We do have quite a few sellers coming into the session this morning, 21, almost 2,200 net sellers in the NASDAQ. But I still think that this market, I'm not sure if we're trying to find a bottom or a top, but the price action is indicative of both. Crazy wild swings, which are fine. I point that out because I would suggest that once again, you guys trade small. Gold is a short, fellas. 10-year bond yields are at 1.44 last I looked. Yesterday we were at 3.8. Good morning, Chris. I mean, yields are just rocking. It's crazy. In any event, let's see here. Hang on, guys. I got a notice somewhere. Oh, got it. Okay. In any event, ES has small sellers, 500 and something sellers. NASDAQ I gave you. There are small buyers currently in the RTY. Crude has 2,000 sellers after enormous buying yesterday, over 8,000. And gold has 2,900 net sellers. I think gold is going to get kerplunked again. If gold comes down through this 84 half, it's going to get hit again. And I don't see any, I mean, it may try to make it back to VWAP to fail, but I don't see any hope for gold on the long side at this point other than trades. 10-year bond yields are just surging. If you guys are here on trial, good morning and welcome. Today is Thursday. Welcome back to the room. I did not send a video yesterday due to the fact that I had to shut my computer down. So once I restart the webinar, I'm unable to record again. I don't know why. That's a GoToWebinar thing, not mine. But in any event, 84.6. Yeah, a little bit lower. This is the area that I think I like for the short. And you know how gold is in pre-market, but that would be the short, 83.6. I just don't think gold can go anywhere. We do have 8:30 news, guys. We have continuing and initial jobless claims at 8:30, as we do every Thursday. And second quarter or second reading annualized GDP. That's interesting. Pending home sales at 10, but we do have natural gas inventories today, which I rarely. Good morning, Patrick. Chris, good morning, Derek. Which I rarely pay attention to. Natural gas. Gold held that area that I would want to see break. If it breaks, I'll look for the short. Guys, yesterday was an utterly phenomenal, incredible trade. Good morning, Mark. Incredible trade again yesterday. Longs and shorts. Huge winners on both sides. Today looks like it's going to be volatile again. I want to caution you all, trade according to your account size and your ability to withstand risk. I will read the disclaimer and we will get on with it. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to that trade. Trade according to your own. Good morning, Hubba Hubba. Trade according to your own ability to withstand risk and your account size. Again, I expect a volatile session today, much like we've seen now for the week. Trade smaller. We're going to be using bigger stops. We're going to use real stops, guys, not arbitrary made up 20 tick stops, 30 tick stops. Yep, that's why we're doing nothing here, Lori. Guys, I have currently I have no bots on, which is par for the course when we have 4-star news, 8:30 news. If you guys are running bots, I would suggest you turn them off, but trade as you see fit. If you have been running the NASDAQ today from 6 a.m. Eastern, you've got a humongous winner again at 624. You've got a failed long here and another winning trade to at least first target. And who knows what develops, but you do have some money in the boat. If you are running the Russell, that would have been premature. And that's after 617. All three targets hit on the Russell on the bot. I know not all of you trade the Russell, but you have that. NQ bot is up 900 on those three trades. Thank you, Dave. Gold on the 3-minute would have given us nothing. And I mean, on the 15-minute, and gold on the 3-minute, no trade, a failed long, and not quite a failed short yet. So gold is chopping around. The path of least resistance on gold, guys, is down. It's not longs. Again, we may get up to VWAP or close to it, but with 28, almost 900 net sellers and 10-year yields now at last I looked 1.44. Dollar index you can see is getting mangled. Let me take a look at the 10-year. For my trials, today will be the last email that I send out. I do not send follow-up on Friday. If you guys have not seen enough to convince you that you should be here in one way, shape, or form yet, then there's nothing more I can do. 10-year yield is at 1.458, skyrocketing. It was 4.4 last I checked. We're up almost 5% on the day, on the 10-year. Staggering. Staggering. When gold rolls over, it's going to get just crushed. I don't see how gold can go long. I'm not interested in taking long trades on gold. My bot is set for shorts only. I'd rather miss a long trade. Natural gas looks like it could roll over. Weather is warming in the south. We had 72 degrees here. The 2-week weather pattern is warmer. Let me take a look at the VIX. Currently, Dow futures are off 14 points, 15 points, nothing. S&P is off 15 handles. NASDAQ's down 128. Russell is actually up 4 ticks. VIX futures 2432 up 2.4%. VIX cash 2276 up 6 and call it 6.7%. Good morning, Jacques. Promises to be a wild one, guys. We do have news at 8:30. We won't be doing any trades prior to 8:30 unless gold comes down. Good morning, Jeff. If anybody has any questions, guys, please feel free to ask. Carl, I'm looking at about 83.8, 83, that area, 83.7. I mean, you almost could take a short here if you wanted to. You can take a short here with a stop at 89.4. The only hesitation that I have at this point is news, but 89.4 would be your stop from here. I run the ZB bot every day. Guys, I think gold is coming down. I mean, it's your prerogative if you want to sell it ahead of news. But we do have it on the new indicator. This is its area of support. Again, your stop, 89.4. If you guys want to sell gold, I think it's coming down, fellas. It's got to come down through this right here. If that breaks, gold's going to get smashed, I think. It's trying to hold that area of support. I mean, that's a perfect M break. I have Trade the News, which is a paid news service. I pay $185 a month for it. Gold just shorted on the bot. I don't know why I had it on. It should be off. If gold comes through 79, it's going to 79.7, it gets killed. So this first area here has to break. And then the bottom, where it gets just annihilated, it's here. If it takes out that swing low. I don't think the jobs numbers are going to save it. Again, I think no matter what the number is going to be moot. Should come to 82. Anybody have any questions? Feel free to ask. ES crude is coming down a bit. You got a short on crude. 2,700 sellers in crude. That's got to break. That's your support. If this can puke out through 84, it's coming. There it goes. Anybody short? Okay. 82 gives it a little. All right, guys. There it is on a live trade on our new indicator. 2 contracts. There was nothing. Again, this now could bounce back up to 87. There's no buyers. There's a few. It's still sellers. But those are my targets, fellas. If you guys are green and want to take ticks ahead of news, feel free. Okay, Becky, no worries. It'll be recorded. Again, if you guys wanted to take ticks ahead of the news, not sure why we stopped ahead of 82. We should have. Support isn't until 82. I have no support there at 82.7. There's no reason for that to have stopped there. We have 50 buyers in here, guys. This is about where I'll kill it. If this doesn't fall, I'll kill it. I'm not letting that go to the stop. Real stop is 89.4. You bastard. Gave 15 ticks. I'll hit gold again. If I take a loss, I'll hit it again after news. Need to get back down now through 85. It's got to come down through 85. And back through this 84. sellers. We got sellers back in. We're back through 85. Now we got to drop down through 84 again. If you guys want out ahead of news, it's your prerogative. Going to find support right here at that 84.3. A drop below 84 should start this down. Crude came nicely. Right back to what, there it goes. Right back to what was support. It'll find some support at 82. If you guys want ticks ahead of the news, go ahead and take them. 82 is going to give it some support. It's holding that 7 again. There's really nothing here. I'm not sure. There it goes. Say, I'm not sure why it's holding that. But we've got support right here where it stopped at 82. You guys may want to take some risk off. And then if it goes on the runner, I'll get it on the runner. Real stop probably 85.4, but again with news. If this drops below 79.5, it's going to get crushed right here. That swing 79.7 and 78.6. Here it is on the bot. I had the bot on. I don't know why. Excuse me. Shouldn't have been on ahead of news. This has to come down through that 79. If this gets down through this 79.7, it's going to get walloped. So trade them as you see fit. I took some risk off ahead of the news. We've got 19 ticks in here. Dollar starting to bounce a bit. 10-year yields are up. I just don't see anywhere for gold. There it is on the bot. Another blue candle. This is about where, unless this drops down, next 3 minutes and 30 seconds. It's holding an area of support. That's, come on, break down. Come on. Come on. Get down through that swing. Got the higher low here, which I don't like. Just looking at candles. You can see it here. They're buying some. They're losing the buyers in this candle. See how the buyers keep. We're in a support zone. I would be leery of longs with that delta, but we are in an area of support. There it goes. Come on, buddy. Now it's done. It's coming down. It should come down to 79.7. Got first target on the bot. Should come down to this 79.7. Okay, now I'm going to just trail. If 79.7 goes, guys, it's going to get walloped. That line, it's going to get walloped. So I've locked in, not quite 20 ticks. News in 3 minutes. Again, I don't think the news is going to have any effect on gold. This is what's got to go here. That line, 79.7. We just pinged off 79.8. Now I'm at 81.7 on the stop. Bot's got a big winning trade. We held 79.7. See it? To the tick almost. It's got to break. It's got to come through that cleanly. And then there's nowhere for it to go. I mean, we could come all the way down to 73. I'm trying to milk this to 75.3. A 42 tick runner. Held it again. I'm trailing at 1 standard deviation. If it bounces on me and takes me out, so be it. News in about 2 minutes and 20 seconds. It looks like it's consolidating here. We got to get a breakthrough. I think it breaks down. It's hit it too many times not to break down below this 79.7. My stop may be too tight, but you guys may want to put, real stop probably 84, maybe 82.4. If you guys want to use 82.4. We held that bottom again, but I don't think it can hold. It's hit too many times. We may get a bounce back up, but it isn't going anywhere. Took your ticks? Okay, Keith. I missed a beautiful trade on crude. I told you crude was a short. 38 down to 20, first target. It's a nice trade. All right, I'm out on mine. Okay, out on the bot. Guys, my bots are off. Nice, Ray. Watch that gold at a break of 79.7. We are looking for 825 on initial and 4.46 on continuing. NASDAQ, I think, we're locked in a huge range. We could come back down to 125 and start to move up again. That's nice, though, Saeed. Nice. Still waiting. Jobless claims is a big beat by almost 100,000. And continuing claims is a monstrous miss by 3 million. 7.42 versus 4.46. All right, guys. What I'm going to do is get rid of my news. I've eliminated a few charts as well. 74 quart. Nice. Oh, gold spike down below that 79.7. I would say NASDAQ is a short even in here, but your stop has to be 87. If anybody wants a NASDAQ short, 62.34, your stop is 87. Your first target is 142, 142, and then 125. Gold is getting a bounce on this. I'm not sure why and don't really care. Now NASDAQ's getting a bounce. That's why I love pre-market. All right, guys, let me get some bots on here. Put in a GC sell stop at 79.7. Nice. Nice job. Not going to get anything there. Bonds are trying to turn up. Russell's coming down. I don't know why NASDAQ's bid, but Russell's trying to bounce, I guess. Gold is short, fellas. 78.3 again on gold. 78.3. Maybe 2. 78.2. Stop on gold. Real stop. 84.3. 84.3. First target on gold is 75.5. 75 half. NASDAQ. Gold's got 2 buyers in this. Now no buyers. Jeez. 3,400 net sellers, 75 buyers in this candle. NASDAQ's buying them here. Higher to go lower, methinks. Silver trying. If silver can get above 30 bucks, it's off to 50. Do you see these Reddit guys? Are anybody following these guys? GameStop's back up over 100. It's 140 in the pre-market. Anybody see that? Anybody see GameStop? It closed yesterday, 91 bucks. It's 148 in the pre-market. It's 148 in the pre-market. AMC, they did it with AMC again too. AMC closed yesterday 909. It's 1020 in the pre-market. It was $4.60 the other day. Gold will give you a small long. Back to VWAP. Yeah, I mean, if they can do, they think they can get GameStop to 800 bucks. There's a small trade on natural gas. If anybody wants to try a natural gas, I'm late on it, but I'll try to get it down to 97. I sold one. Maybe 2,800. NQ bot first target hit. Yep. I won't turn mine on until 9:30. It is inventory day for natural gas. Here comes gold. Here it is on order flow. 67 sellers. You got a 12 contract seller here, but 73 at 13. Only 2 on the bottom. I've got a 3-tick sequential decline, 74, 12, 2. Same thing here. There we go. That's going to give it some support at 8. We have to come down through 8. And then we can get down to 96. I'm trying to get the whole number. Oh. I expect us to bounce off this 8. Got to break 8. We should get down to 97. I'm trying to get the whole number. Let's see, 6, 18. I need 7. At 7, I'll get another candle on the 10 range. Right? One more tick, and this will give me another candle. There it is. Come on, 4 more. Keep coming. More block sellers. Got to 2. Now I got to 1. This may come down further. We could come into the low of the day at 91. I'll put it down at 90. Let's see if we can get the low of the day. We've pulled this up. I still expect to bounce at 97. It's all sellers. 17, 32, 20. These are all block sellers. 19. Big sellers in there. I'm on the close. Morning, Greg. Really want to see this next candle open at 03. If that opens at 03, we could get a dump right into 91. It's all red. It's all sellers. Good morning, Mimi. Anybody short natural gas with me? Again, I only sold 1. This is the new indicator. Really want this to open up at 03. 2 ticks lower, the next candle. Not going to get it. I was going to do one tonight, Stephen, but I didn't get but half a dozen people, so it's not worth it. It's not worth my time. I can do a webinar on my own and send it out. You're seeing it. What more do you want to see? I mean, what more could I say about this indicator? Seriously. You're short on red, you're long on blue. Short below support, long above resistance. You know, what more can I say? Be the fastest webinar you ever attended. If you get up for coffee, well, it's going to shade red when it's in a short, and it's going to shade blue when it's in a long. I don't know why. I mean, anybody that sees this, I don't know why every trader on the planet doesn't own this indicator. I'm being sincere. It is the best indicator I've ever used. Now it's manual. You still have to push the button, but I've never seen anything like it. Go make them. Go make them. Come on. We're picking up sellers. We got 600 sellers. This thing should be falling out of bed. Anybody short natural gas? Meanwhile, I missed NASDAQ and everything else. Anybody short natural gas, guys? Okay, Keith. I'm trying to get to the low of the day, but I think it's going to break the low of the day. It may bounce. We got to get through 97, obviously. And if this thing rips into, I'm just going to do this for the heck of it. I'm way out of the way. There's your low of the day, 91, that swing. If that catches that swing, this could be a staccato. I mean, here's gas. I would expect us to get to 91 and 74 maybe. I mean, we could get that 77. My stop's at 11. I remember the days when natural gas would just tear. 10, 15, 20 ticks at a rip. This is like watching paint dry. $12 is the best stop, right behind these stack sellers. You would have been long here. The new indicator, you would have taken that long at 83. Nice job, Mimi. Nothing's really trading. Look at the delta. 600, 299 contracts in this candle. There's nothing trading. I'm going to kill it. I won't let it go one more tick higher. Meanwhile, I'm missing everything else. Watch gold for a long. Gold is a long at 33. You could take it early at 31. Your stop is 17. Remember, crude. All right, I'm out. I'm out. Done with this. God dang. You went long above the 68 with stacked buyers. Yeah, Mimi. Oh, nice. Very nice trade. That's what I'm going to cover today in class. Russell's hit first target. There's 281. We're above 281. All right, if anybody is holding NASDAQ, we should head into the highs. And I think, guys, we have a target at 437. They are punishing anybody that was short right now. If you were short overnight or into the open, they're killing them. And when they start to cover, I think we can get to 400 today. 437. Pull back to 50 would be interesting. Let's see what we've got here. If Russell turns back up, I'll take Russell long. I have a male cardinal beating the crap out of my window 3 feet away. Come on. 83.9 on the Russell to get done for the day. Nice job, Ken. Nice job. Yeah, that was a nice trade. Some sellers coming back in. Next 15-minute candle, not for 6 minutes. Here's your long on Russell if you guys want to try a long on RTY. Long on RTY. Took the NQ trade for 40 points. You're welcome. Nice job, Dave. RTY is longs, fellas. Nice job, Roland. Nice job. I like the done for the day, the DFD part too. Take your money and keep it, fellas. Second target was hit. No, that's the original trade. I'm going to put this guy's third target, 88.4 on RTY. It's still farting around, but it's not a short. We have net buyers. It may pull back, but it's not a short. NASDAQ is trading sideways. Probably will make a move into yesterday's close at 302, and then yesterday's high is 334 on the next 15-minute candle. Trump's tax records are now in the hands of New York prosecutors after the Supreme Court denied the former president's efforts to keep them private. There's your RTY, guys. RTY is going to VWAP. If anybody is long, your target is 90 area. Anybody long RTY? Anybody long RTY? Okay. Should go to VWAP, guys, right around 90. NASDAQ, your long CL. Oh, shoot. I missed another CL trade. If you guys see trades, let me know what you're seeing. I mean, I'm focused on NASDAQ, but I missed another nice long 80 was the entry. Long ES at 18. I like the ES long at 18. It may pull back into VWAP. Let me get rid of this for a momento. Hang on, fellas. All right, honey. Have fun. I adore you, beautiful. Damn, you're sexy. Sorry, guys. Mike was on. I love my wife. What can I tell you, fellas? Okay, Marco, I'll tell her. Let's get a pullback. Gonna get maybe a small short. Exactly, Paul. Come on, Russell. Go get VWAP. Thanks, Lori. Yeah. I told you if it broke 20 that you could, take it there. But I was short 34 with 6 contracts live on this indicator. Thank you, Jeff. Yeah, but my stop was 90. I had a 60 handle stop, guys. I told you I'm not afraid to trade size, fellas. I almost added 6 in on the bounce back up to 40. Not afraid to trade, fellas. Got your 198. Told you it was coming to 200. I don't have a trade on crude. If I had to take a direction, it's got to be short. There's 7,000 sellers. Why would I take a trade long? Anybody take the break at 22 on NASDAQ? Anybody take the 22? Okay, guys. You got your 198 target. All right, fellas. Crude is trying to bounce. I mean, Marco, you see something I don't see. Hang on, got a what filled? Oh, NASDAQ. NASDAQ is not setting. It's moving too fast. Here comes 142. If this breaks here, your target becomes 125, fellas. We're at 4,200 net sellers. Target becomes 125. Target is now 125. If we don't bounce 125, all right, gold got first target, fellas. Told you it was going to sell off. I don't know why it took so damn long to sell. For those of you that are interested, that are following my order flow exploits, shit, I gave away 60 handles. 1,800 times 6. That's what I gave away. I am well above my 50% for the month of February. Well above. Yeah, I mean, you know what I should have done was probably take 4 off at that first target and left 2 to go. I mean, that $3,400 day would have easily been $6,000 by now. Nice, 17 handles on ES. Nice. We did break the 3,900 that Frank had suggested earlier. And I think that here's where ES is headed to, guys. 82. ES is headed to 82. Nice. 75 points on NASDAQ. Nice. Guys, if you ain't making money, you ain't trading. We got the long on the way up. We got the short on the way down. We're getting a bounce here off of, well, not quite 125, I guess. We got 128, 129. I'm off by about 15 ticks. We could bounce back to 166 here. I would not be interested in a freaking long. I'm telling you right now. They're burying the NASDAQ. Look at your order flows. Gold may bounce. $42 points on 3 contracts. You are very welcome, Dave. Love an order flow. Yeah, buddy. It will change your life. I'm telling you guys, order flow will change your life. Certainly as a trader. Gold could come down to that 65 level again. I think gold is coming to 1750. Got a breakdown here again on the NASDAQ. If anyone's still holding NASDAQ, is there anybody still in the NASDAQ, fellas? Okay, Jim. If we can get, I think you got a target. I'm going to give you guys a crazy target. All right, Cliff. 13,062. Okay, James. 13,062. We got to come below 25 first. I have 062 and as far down as 968. And then when they start to move up again this afternoon, it's going to be, ferocious. We hit target again on gold twice on the bottom. So I took it off. I don't know what the bots are up at this point. Bots are up 1905 with this trade on. There is no other trade on. Any RTY long? No, not for me. Nope. They're selling gold. They're selling the indices. ES you can short at 99 quarter. 99 quarter right here. 99 quarter. If you guys caught it, your first target is 97 quarter. And then freebie. You just hit first target. I don't know if anybody could catch that, but you got 2 quick handles. And now it's just utterly, you got it? Okay, Ken. Final target, ES, 82. 82. Okay, Jim. 82, ES. And here goes NASDAQ. We are coming down to 074, fellas. 074. You guys that are in it from the 20s still, you can drop I think you can drop stop to 82. Okay, Dave. Were you short? We're going to get a bounce, guys. Be very careful. Our 34 is turning blue. We're way oversold. Target is coming to 074. Oh, my God. We come down to 074. I gave up 100 handles on 6 cars. Oh. Come on, finish this down move. We got a long way to come. ZB bot in the yeah, ZB is short. Yep. Guys, anybody not making any money? Is there anybody not making money? You're up 435 after being down 500. You took the stop on that first long. Okay. Let's see. Chris, what did you say? My MNQ Unarenko down 161 since 15 minutes after the open. Okay. Well, you may have noticed, Chris, I have not traded a Unarenko, and I don't trade the Unarenko on the NASDAQ, but that's okay. Did you not take the short that I gave? I mean, I've given. Nice job. You're up 9,800. I've given a number of trades, guys. Gold. I just gave an ES short. The only way anybody can be down is they're not taking trades. If you're not going to push the button, I cannot help you. If you guys are down $160 and you're paralyzed, there's nothing I can do for you. I'm not trying to be crude. Yeah, but he trades a lot of contracts, Keith. He's had $30,000. I think his biggest day. What's your biggest day? 38, 35, something like that. His middle name is I Have No Fear. That's his middle name. Chris, tell me, have you not taken any more trades? Oh, okay, because you're busy working. Okay. Well, are you only running the NASDAQ then? Gold made a staggering, I mean, there's, I want to be his employee. Okay, so you're only running the NASDAQ. Why the Unarenko? I mean, the Unarenko is not something in high volatility you should be running. You really should check, ask me. If you guys want to run the NASDAQ, you should be running the 3-minute bot, not the. Okay, Fedor. Guys, I'll find you some. I mean, I missed the short here. You're welcome, Derek. Nice job. Guys, we have crucified them this week. Crucified them. Oh, I love Naples. Hour north of Naples. So around Sarasota? Nice job, Keith. Boca Grande. Man, I'll tell you, I'm going to have to come see you. I want to catch a tarpon on a fly rod. That's my jam right there. That's on my bucket list. I want to do it on a fly rod. All right, guys, let's see here. I got nothing in crude. NASDAQ's coming back down. Guys, if we dump below 18 or 22, that swing low, we work down lower. Oh, I didn't know that's what you did, Dave. Do you fish for tarpon? Guys, I'm watching the markets while I'm chatting here. Yeah, I want to do it on a fly rod, man. That's my thing. All right, guys. You guys can sell NASDAQ at 42. 42 NQ short. 42 NQ short if you guys want. You can hit 42. That's going to be below this swing. Right here. Below that line, 42. There it goes. And your target is 26. Target 1, 26. Let me tell you your stop. 68. 68 is your stop. Now, I told you guys at the onset, stops are going to be bigger. This is a volatile market. Oh, bonds finally got first target. This is a volatile market. Trade smaller. These stops I'm using are real stops. If I were to be short, my stop would be above 07, just FYI. And this looks like it's going to pop up. Nope, didn't go to stop yet. So 42 was the short. This is coming down, guys. Here we go again with this BS. Trying to hold this little area. It's all sellers again. We're back up to 3,700 sellers. I don't know what it's hold. There's nothing in here to hold. Did not go to stop out. So if you guys, if it does, there's nothing I can do, but bonds has gotten first target on the bot. I don't like that we're sitting. I would have no interest in the longs here, guys. Come on, why are you not drawing? There we go. This is the box we're in. We should break out of the bottom of that box. Come on. Still holding that box. There it goes. Should come to 26, 27 for a first target. That's where it should come, guys. 26, 27. Still doesn't want to break. If you're trading multiples, if we break that swing low at 21, you can target 13,060. Come on, give me 26, 27. Bonds are out on the +1. Done with bonds. Guys, I've shut my bots off for the day. They're up 1451. There we go. There comes your target. 27. Come on, 27. Got it. Did we? I'm frozen. No, we hit 28. You suck. 28 we hit. I'm off by 4 ticks. We hit 27 quarter. I missed by a tick. I don't think it's done, guys. The selling is, they're piling in again. That move up to 200 was the reload. Came within 2 ticks. That pisses me off. Really pisses me off. I hate missing my targets. Guys, it's a function of time. It's going to bust. You're going to get, if you're patient, I think you're going to get your 27 plus. They're selling the living daylights out of this. And then I'm going to ask who flinched and came out of the trade. Has not gone to my stop, guys. Come on, you stink. There it is. Got it now. Got it now. Got 27 now. Target hit. First target. Now it's completely free. If we break below that swing low on the 15-minute and here, the swing low, this is going to dump. You got first target. 42 to 27. Anybody hold that from 42 to 27? Still 15 handles. You'd still be in the trade, guys. Has not gone to stop out. I haven't moved the stop. Now, you guys can take it off at break even if you want at 42. Take it all off at 27. We're back up to 3,700 net sellers. If this blows out below 120, it's dud. Yeah, it's dead. If there's anybody that was, down, you just picked up 15 handles. Unless you didn't take the trade or you panicked and did something different. If you did something different, I missed Russell, that's for sure. I can see it. Crude went long. Crude probably has a target now at VWAP 23 if anybody wants to snatch crude. Should get you to VWAP. Gold is going to break down to 62 at some point today. 4,600 sellers in gold. I think that's that low from last week. NASDAQ is flat. There's nothing I can do here unless it breaks 20. If NASDAQ moves somewhere near 80 again, I will look for a short up near 80. I want to see this move down, guys, closer to 13,100 for the long. Nice job, Lori. That's okay. Yeah, but you were in from 51. Nice job. You making money today? Nice, David. New daily. That's your all-time best ever trade day? 23? Nice. Congrats, man. I'll have a scotch for you later tonight. How's that? Guys, I'm going to go get one cup of coffee. I'll be right back. Anybody take CL? Just Gary. Okay, Mimi's long gold. Okay, silver, I think also is long. If anybody wants a silver trade, gold's got to pop here. Silver's going to trade into the 34. CL long at 90, 98, 99 with the first target at 23, Greg. This is when this candle closes, it's a long, but we've got resistance at 845. If this candle closes blue, I'll take it long. This current candle, I'll take silver. Guys, it's over for NASDAQ. It's coming down to 74 and then 62. 62 is S1. 64 is a buy zone. Sellers, 45, almost 600. Cannot go long with 4,600 sellers, fellas. Silver's not going to pop. There's 01. Guys, NASDAQ could see 968 today. I'm just saying 968. I would not. Oh, it hit your target. There was nothing you couldn't move it. Nice trade, though, Francis. Nice trade. Silver's not going to bounce, guys. And I'm not going to short it at the bottom. Yes, it's over. Say goodbye. This has to come lower, fellas. And then we'll get the long this afternoon. Probably sometime it'll start next 30 minutes would be my guess. Guys, did this trade help anybody that was down? Did this trade help anybody that was down? Target after 82 on ES, 75. And if ES blows 73, we come 65. Okay, Saeed. Is everybody making money now, guys? Is there anybody here that did not make money? I don't care if you made $100. You made money. You meant what? CL next target is 34. 34, then 51. You made money. Okay, Saeed. Good, good. I don't care if you, guys, listen, I don't care if you're trading micros. If you made money, you made money. I mean, it doesn't matter. As far as I know, it spends the same, whether you made it on micros or minis. It's the difference. Nice job, Al. Nice job. Guys, for my trial members, exactly. We got a member that'll take all your micro cash that you want to give him. He doesn't care. He'll take $1 or $1 million. Doesn't care how you made it. Micros, minis, doesn't care. Guys, for my trials, I will be sending you out this recording today. I did not send a recording yesterday because once I shut down my computer and logged out of GoToWebinar, I could no longer record. It would have been several videos, so I just didn't bother doing one. But I will send one today. Nice job, Zaim. Nice job. For you guys that are on trial, it will be, nice job, Ryan. Good, good. Nice recovery, brother. It will be, okay, Al. It will be the last email I send you guys. I don't send a follow-up on Friday. Do any of my trials have any questions? I'll go over membership again. What's the question there, Francis? Oh, nice theme. Oh, really nice. See you tomorrow, Chris. Have a great day. Francis, are you asking if we'll help you with the bot setup? The answer is yes, of course. Yep. You'll just need GoToWebinar. Okay. This is not a simulated account, fellas. I trade this indicator live every single day. And I have been. Look at the videos. I'm not using it anymore. I got rid of it. Paul, I got rid of it. I got rid of about 4 charts today because I was afraid of, and you guys notice I haven't had freezing. And just out of curiosity, whoop, I wonder what the volume was today. %20 above. Yesterday we were 68% above our 3-month average daily volume. I don't know what that means, Patrick. But why check order flow, samer time? I don't know what that means. 20% above our 3-month average. Guys, do trials have any questions? I mean, folks, your trial ends tomorrow. Still profitable every single day with real cash. You're welcome, Don. You're very welcome, guys. I mean, fellas, I say this all the time. NQ loading. Yeah, I'm looking for a reversal. This could be the start of the reversal back up to VWAP, though. This is usually about when we start. We may get a small pullback, but we're going to reverse, fellas. We always do.